Hello children, now come to page number 81. Now here on this page we will do an exercise related to the food. Read it here. Draw a line to place each item in the correct basket. So on this page you can see children, there is one basket here and it is written healthy food. One more basket is here and here it is written junk food. And here you can see the pictures of some items are given to you, of some food are given to you. What you have to do, you have to sort it out whether this food is the healthy one or this food is the junk one. So if it is healthy, so you will draw a line towards this basket, and if it is junk food or it is unhealthy, so you will draw the line towards this basket. Okay, I have already explained you in my previous video what is the healthy food and what is the junk food. Let us again recall. Healthy food is the food which helps you or which makes you strong, which helps you to fight with diseases. And the junk food is the food which can make you sick, It does not give you any power or energy, whereas the healthy food gives you always power and energy. So now let us do this exercise. Start from here. What is this? This is a picture of apple. It is a fruit. So tell me, it is healthy or unhealthy? It's healthy to eat? Yes, it helps you to fight with diseases. So we will keep this here in this basket. So you will draw a line like this. Now tell me, what is this? This is hamburger. It is healthy or unhealthy? It is unhealthy. So it is a junk food. So what you will do? You will draw a line towards the basket which is of junk food. Now what is this? This is a cake. It is healthy or unhealthy? It is unhealthy. It can spoil your teeth. So you should not eat it on daily basis. So it is a junk food. You will draw a line like this. Now what is this? This is the picture of vegetable. Which vegetable it is? This is a picture of cabbage, where all the vegetables are very healthy to eat. It gives you power. So this one is healthy. So you will draw a line like this and you will put it in the healthy food basket. Okay. Now come to here. Milk. This one is chocolate. It's not healthy for your health. It spoils your teeth. It adds cavities to your teeth. So this one is unhealthy. So where you will put? In healthy food or junk food? In junk food, like this. Okay. Now what is this? This is the glass of milk. You should eat it 1 time or 2 times. Tell me. In 2 times you should eat it. This one is very healthy. It gives you power to fight with diseases. So you should drink it on daily basis. I have told you that you can drink it in any form, in any shake form. You can take cold coffee, mango shake, strawberry shake. Okay? But you should drink it on daily basis. So it's a healthy one. You will draw a line like this towards the healthy food basket. Okay, so this is how you will do this page. Now come to page number 82 children. So this is page 82. One more exercise related to the food. Read it here. What you have to do: tick the healthy food and cross the junk food. Here you have to tick the food which are healthy one and you have to cross the food which are junk food. So let's start from here. We have done the previously also. This is the picture of chocolate. Chocolates are unhealthy. I have told you. It spoils your teeth. So what you will do? You will put across like this because this is junk food. Now what is this? This is a picture of hamburger. I have told you it is also unhealthy. It does not give you any power. So you will put a cross like this. Now what is this? This is a picture of glass of milk. I have told you it gives you energy to fight with all the diseases. So it says this one is healthy or junk food. This is healthy. So what you will do? You will put a tick like this. Cheese. It's very healthy for our health. So we should eat it on daily basis. Tell me, this one is healthy or junk? Healthy. Very good. So you will put a tick like this. In this way you will do all the other pictures also. This is the jar full of cookies. It's very unhealthy. It may spoil your teeth. So you should not eat it on daily basis. You will cross the picture like this. This one is junk food. Now come to here. This is the picture of French fries. This is healthy? Who all tell this is healthy? No, it's not healthy. We should not eat it on daily basis. Okay? You should prefer always fruits and vegetables. So cross the picture like this. What is this? These are the eggs. Yes, it's very healthy. It gives you energy. It gives you power. It makes you strong. So you will put a tick like this. This is the healthy food. This one is a bowl of yogurt, curd. This one is also very healthy. It helps you in digestion of food. So you will put a tick like this. Now come to here. These are the picture of vegetables, tomato, cabbage. All the vegetables are very healthy to eat. So this one is healthy food. Put a tick like this. And these are the picture of fruits, banana, apple, grapes. This one is also healthy. So you will put a tick like this. So you will do this exercise by yourself by identifying the pictures that whether it is healthy or unhealthy. If it is healthy one, you will put a tick like this. If it is not healthy for you, you will put a cross like this. Okay? Try to do it by yourself only. Okay? So this is all about the healthy food and the junk food. I hope you all have understood it and you all have to learn it. The which food is healthy one and which food is junk food. Okay? The 4 or 5 items you should learn it. Okay? So that's all for today. Here we also have completed the syllabus of EVS. So you must have revised all the topics at your home. The good manners, good habits, healthy food, sense organs, body parts. Okay children? So that's all about EVS. Now on daily basis revise all the topics. Thank you. Bye-bye.